Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to resolve an equation. 4 to the x equals 3 to the x plus 1. So first what we're going to do is that we are going to rewrite here 3 to the x plus 1 equals 3 to the x multiplied by 3. Okay, that's the properties of powers. Because when we have a to the p multiplied by a to the q equals a to the p plus q. So now I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3 to the x. Okay, so I have 4x here. So 4x divided by 3x equals 3. Okay, and there's another property of powers when we have a to the p divided by b to the p equals a divided by b to the p. Okay, so here we can rewrite this fraction as 4 third to the x equals 3. Now we're going to use the property of logs. Okay. So log, we are going to use the Neperian log, so log a to the b equals b multiplied by log of a. So let's use this property. So we have x multiplied by log of 4 third equals log of 3. And then we can, by dividing both sides of the equation by log of 4 third, we have x equals log of 3 divided by log of 4 third. And that's our answer. So it's not very nice looking, but sometimes that's what we get. So thanks for watching and see you later.